Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Facebook app not working on iPhone after update iOS 16.6. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn off and on Wi-Fi. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 2. Clear history and website data. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Safari. On the Safari page, scroll down, tap Clear history and website data. Again tap it. Solution number 3. Reinstall Facebook app. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap iPhone storage. Scroll down, tap Facebook app. Tap Offload app. Again tap it. Reinstall Facebook app. Solution number 4. Update your Facebook app. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on search bar. Search your Facebook app. Check for update app. Solution number 5. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset network setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 6. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slide to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Thanks for watching this video.